Hello and welcome back to our channel, Elevate Equities, where we talk about personal finance and strategies for achieving financial freedom. Today we have got an exciting topic about budgeting, and we'll be discussing how to create and stick to a budget. Budgeting is a crucial step towards achieving financial stability and can help you track your expenses, save money, and achieve your financial goals. So let's dive in and explore some strategies for creating and sticking to a budget. Firstly, we'll go through the steps for creating a budget. The basics of creating a budget. Step 1. Determine your income and expenses. The first step towards creating a budget is determining your income and expenses. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any passive income you may have. Next, list all your expenses, including rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Be sure to include any irregular expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills, and divide them by 12 to get a monthly average. This will help you create a more accurate budget. Step 2. Set financial goals. The next step is to set financial goals. These goals can be short-term, such as paying off a credit card debt, or long-term, such as saving for a down payment on a house. Once you have identified your financial goals, prioritize them based on their importance and create a plan to achieve them. This plan should include how much money you need to save each month and how long it will take you to reach your goal. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. The next step is to categorize your expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Start by grouping your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Then review each category and see if there are any areas where you can cut back. For example, you may be able to reduce your grocery bill by buying in bulk or finding coupons. You could also save money on transportation by carpooling or taking public transport. Step 4. Create a budget spreadsheet. The next step is to create a budget spreadsheet. This spreadsheet should include your income, expenses, and financial goals. Use a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to create your budget. Start by listing your income at the top of the spreadsheet and subtracting your expenses from your income. This will give you your net income. Then, subtract your financial goals from your net income to determine how much money you have left over each month. Step 5. Monitor your spending. The final step is to monitor your spending. Keep track of your expenses throughout the month and compare them to your budget. This will help you identify any areas where you are overspending and make adjustments as needed. There are several tools and apps available that can help you track your spending, such as Mint or Personal Capital. These tools can link to your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easier to track your expenses in real time. Tips for sticking to your budget. Now that we've covered the basics of creating a budget, let's discuss some tips for sticking to it. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of these tips. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Make adjustments as needed to ensure you're meeting your financial goals. Use cash. Using cash instead of credit cards can help you stick to your budget. Withdraw the amount of cash you need for the week or month and use only that amount for your expenses. Avoid temptation. Avoid temptation by limiting your exposure to things that may tempt you to overspend. For example, if you tend to overspend on clothes, avoid going to the mall or unsubscribe from emails from your favorite clothing. Stay motivated. It's easy to lose motivation when you're trying to stick to a budget. To stay motivated, remind yourself of your financial goals and the benefits of sticking to your budget. Celebrate small victories, such as paying off a credit card, to keep yourself motivated and on track. Create a buffer. Unexpected expenses can easily throw off your budget, so it's important to create a buffer. Set aside a small amount of money each month in case of emergencies or unexpected expenses. Get an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner, such as a friend or family member, can help you stay on track with your budget. Share your financial goals and budget with them, and ask them to check in with you regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Reward yourself. Finally, don't forget to reward yourself for achieving your financial goals. Set aside a small amount of money each month for a fun activity or treat that you enjoy. This can help you stay motivated and committed to your budget. Use technology. There are a variety of budgeting apps and tools available that can help you create and stick to your budget. Many of these apps allow you to connect your bank accounts and credit cards, track your spending, and set budgeting goals. Plan for irregular expenses. In addition to your regular monthly expenses, there are likely irregular expenses that you need to account for in your budget. These may include things like car repairs, medical expenses, or holiday gifts. Estimate the cost of these expenses and include them in your budget as a separate category. Stay flexible. Your budget should be a living document that you can adjust as your circumstances change. Don't be afraid to make changes to your budget if necessary, such as increasing or decreasing certain categories or adjusting your savings goals. Consider a cash-only system. If you find that you're overspending on credit cards or debit cards, consider using a cash-only system for certain categories, such as groceries or entertainment. This can help you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Take advantage of discounts and deals. Look for ways to save money on your regular expenses, such as using coupons, shopping sales, or taking advantage of loyalty programs. These small savings can add up over time and help you stick to your budget. Be honest with yourself. Finally, be honest with yourself about your spending habits and financial goals. If you're struggling to stick to your budget, take a step back and reevaluate your priorities. Make adjustments to your budget as needed to ensure that it reflects your current financial situation and goals. In summary, creating and sticking to a budget is a crucial step towards achieving financial stability and freedom. By following these tips and strategies, you can create the budget that is needed to achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay motivated, celebrate small victories, and reward yourself along the way. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.